I'm Johnson P. James, PGT Maths, JNV Jalna, Maharashtra. Basically, I'm from Kerala. I joined in this Navodaya on January 30, 2013. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti gives a wonderful opportunity for me to become a teacher in Navodaya Vidyalaya. Really, I'm too much satisfied with my profession as a teacher. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti gives a wonderful opportunity for me to serve the rural talent. From my childhood itself, my dream was to serve the humanity, to serve the students. So my passion was to become a teacher. So really I got a wonderful opportunity here. I joined here on 30th January 2013, and for the last 7.5 years I am working here. Really it was very nice. It is very nice to work here actually. And basically Jalna is one of the backward district in Maharashtra. So really I got very talented students from the rural most areas of the state. Here not only the academic excellence, we are concentrating on the overall development of the child. Academic excellence is there. Along with that, the holistic development of the children is considered. So we are giving wonderful opportunity to participate in different cultural activities, different competitions, national level competitions. So in all those cases, I became a chance to guide them, to care them, to motivate them actually. So a group of dedicated teachers and motivated students, and along with the parents, so we are making this Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti or the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya as a great success. So I'm really satisfied with my job because many of my students got from this rural area. Many of the students reached the highest realm of the society. They become the very good professionals. They become very good human beings. One of our student, Sumit Kalapure, he did his NIT, he did his MTech from NIT Goa, and he became the gold medalist as a batch topper, and he is awarded by the Chief Minister of Goa. Then now he is doing PhD in IIT Bombay. And another student, Deepak Babkar, he did his IIT, he did his mechanical electrical engineering in IIT Kharagpur, and now he got a campus selection in the German company Bosch. And another student, Rega Thorat, she did her BTech, MTech, and now working in TCS as developer. And one Sonali Ingle, she is working as a lecturer in Ferguson College in botany as a guest lecturer. And Omkar Pokarkar, he is working in RBI, Reserve Bank of India, in the clerical post. Like that, many examples are there. So I'm very much satisfied that, and my students becomes very good success in their life. Along with this, many doctors, many are doing many completed MBBS, like Swati Joshi, she completed MBBS, now she is preparing for her MD, like that. And also all the time, 24 hours the students are with us. So we are giving as a housemaster. So in my house there are some 40-45 students. So as a housemaster I am giving them parental care. Sometimes I have to become a friend to them, sometimes I have to become a father to them, sometimes I am a very good brother to them, like that. In many roles, we are playing many roles here along with the teachers. We have to go to ground and play with them. So I can fully devote my time to them for their overall development. So I am really satisfied with job, and I prefer my life. I consider my life as a success by joining this Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti or in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Thank you.